So we're gonna want to, we hold down power and we want to push volume down. So volume down first, and then the power button. There we go, it takes us to that. I do have like the old Rog Ally on this drive, so I kind of just want to update it. Yep, see the BitLocker key encryption thing there? All right, we're gonna hold volume down. Let's hold it down. Gonna hit the power button. We're gonna just continue to hold the volume down. It's gonna come to this nice splash screen with the Xbox logo and the Asus logo. We're in the BIOS now. We hit Y. We're gonna hit RB for advanced, cloud recovery. Oh man, this is the part that takes a while. So we're gonna hit next. It's gonna search for our wireless network. We're gonna enter our password, which I'm gonna do off camera, because, you know, obviously I just don't want to put my password on there. Not like you're gonna get into this network. All right, and we should be good to go in a second. It's connecting. Connection successful. All right, we hit that. Let's go into cloud recovery. Gonna hit next. Yes. Come on. Sometimes this is finicky. All right, it's continuing to cloud recovery. It's going to download the files. This part does take a while. The problem I have is if I slightly move this device while it's plugged in and it thinks it unplugged or something, it's going to reboot the whole thing. So I want to go ahead and gently set this up so it does not do that.